Welcome to the sunny coastal village of Santiago de la Ribera in San Javier, known for its beautiful beaches. This seaside town is the perfect place to call home or invest in your dream getaway. This amazing corner plot property is ready for renovation and is located just 800 meters from the beach. A leisurely 10-minute stroll to the golden sands and the crystal clear waters of the Mar Menor. As you step into the property, you'll be greeted by a large front garden, offering plenty of space to create an inviting outdoor area. From here, you have access to a reinforced roof terrace designed to accommodate a jacuzzi or even a small rooftop pool. A fantastic space for sunbathing or enjoying stunning views of the Mar Menor. Inside the home, you'll find a spacious, open-plan living room and kitchen that provides a bright and airy layout, perfect for modern living. The property features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. At the rear, the large master bedroom boasts an ensuite bathroom that lets in an abundance of natural light, creating a serene and comfortable retreat. The back garden is equally impressive, offering ample space to install a private pool or hot tub. This versatile area is ideal for entertaining guests, enjoying barbecues, or simply relaxing in the Mediterranean sun. The location is unbeatable. This property is situated right in the heart of Santiago de la Ribera, placing all essential amenities right at your doorstep. From charming local cafes and restaurants to shops, banks and healthcare facilities, everything you need is just a short walk away. Whether you're seeking a vacation home or an investment opportunity, this property combines prime location, renovation potential, and endless lifestyle possibilities. Don't miss your chance to create your dream coastal retreat in one of Spain's most sought-after areas. Contact Villas for Spain today.